Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Reels. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then, on the home screen, tap the Reels tab usually found in the menu bar or newsfeed. Then, scroll vertically to watch short reels like comments or share just like on TikTok or Instagram. Tap the audio or hashtag to explore more similar content. To create your own reel, tap the camera icon or create reels button. Then you can record a clip or upload from your gallery. And here you can also use editing tools provided. Add music, effects, filters, text and stickers, trim clips, or timer. You can also write your caption, add hashtags to help people discover your reels, and set audience visibility, public, friends, or only me. When everything is ready, tap Share Reels. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.